this right here, this is the truck they call La Pluma. La Bomba, La Pluma, something like that. And what this thing does, it pumps the concrete, and they will pump it and pour it into these columns that you see here. That is Miggy, Pastor Miggy, and he is preparing the ground in case we have extra concrete that we can put it in that little section of floor. And here you see the rest of the columns that we're going to pump and fill. We sent an email out to our friends and partners asking for help to pour these 7 columns, and we got a great response. We got enough to do all 7. So we ran down to the cement company, and he said, "Can you give me a discount on the cement to pump these columns to this children's ministry area?" And the manager said, "No, it's not enough cement. I can't give you a discount on that cement. But you know what? I can give the cement. And I'll throw in the use of the pluma, of the pump," which is just a huge blessing, because now, once we get these columns poured, we can go on to the next stage, which will either be what they call the dala, which is a ring of concrete along the top of these columns on which the roof will sit, or maybe the floor. They'll decide that in a few days. At any rate, we're really blessed because God is moving this project forward. He's providing in many different ways from both the Mexican people and from those of you who support us at home, and we're so grateful. And we're so excited as we watch this thing take on a life of its own. We are really, 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 really blessed. So, thank you for your prayers and your support. And I'll do you another one that I probably won't be able to talk when the concrete comes, so you can see the excitement of that pour.